Meaning of honor society.
Honor society.
Honor society.
Honor society.
Honor society. An honor society is a group or organization that recognizes academic excellence and achievement. It typically requires members to maintain a certain grade point average, and may also consider other factors such as leadership skills, community service, and character. Membership in an honor society often provides opportunities for networking, scholarships, and other benefits. Honor societies exist at various levels, including high school, college, and graduate school. Some honor societies are discipline-specific, while others are more general. Being part of an honor society can be a source of pride and recognition for one's academic accomplishments.